You are all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Today we are making the most delicious sweet potatoes recipe. This is so simple, very tasty, and you know what? It is super affordable to prepare. I have 1.5 kilogram of potatoes here. All I need to do is to get my peeler and peel them one after the other. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my amazing returning subscribers. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Remember to subscribe, remember to like and share. Turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So those are the peeled sweet potatoes. I'm just going to take my knife and slice them. After slicing it, I'm still going to take them one after the other and cut them into two like this. You can see what I have here. Those are the potatoes. They're now ready. Look at the sizes. You can see how they are. It's now time to wash it very well. They need to be very clean. So I'm just going to make it easy for me. I'm going to pour them now into my sink, turn on the water on it and rinse it thoroughly. Okay, so lovely. Like I've said, remember to turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please subscribe. Now they are thoroughly cleaned and I'm so satisfied with it now. So I'm just going to take them out of the sink now. This recipe we are preparing, it is so perfect for lunch. It is perfect for dinner, and like I've said, it is super easy, very direct, and tastes amazingly delicious. So lovely, I rinsed it once again. It's now time to pour it into a pot. Let me show you part of the other ingredients. You can see what we have here. We're going to see it one after the other. So lovelies, I got my pot. I first of all pour the olive oil I'll be using, heat it up a bit, added onions into it. I'm just going to fry the onion for about 2 minutes. Yes, give it super aroma. And I added the well-washed potatoes, sweet potatoes into it. I'm going to add some salt and I will add some seasoning into this. Now I got my spatula and I gave them a good mix together. So I'm just going to fry this for about a minute in this olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil if that is what you have. You can use any kind of oil for this. I added chili flakes for the heat vibe because I wanted spicy, and I added diced bell pepper into it. You can use any color, okay? And I added half of a cup of water into it. Now I covered and boiled for about 10 minutes. Lovely. This is it. Let me mix it together. The aroma here says it all. I can say how it's going to taste already because the aroma is amazing. How we first of all saute the onions, we fry this a bit, and we will prepare it up to the stage. It's time to test if this is really soft enough, and this is what you're going to have. It is super ready. And I garnished it with this green onions. I garnished it with this. This is optional, and I covered it for a minute, just 1 minute. After that, this is what we have. Tra-la-la. This is super direct for vegan, for meat lovers. You can prepare that. This tastes super delicious. Please make sure you give this a try. Thanks for watching.